Honor, a leading provider of smart devices in China, on Tuesday launched its Magic OS 7.0 operating system, which might be compatible with Harmony OS and iOS in the future. Magic OS 7.0 consists of 4 core technologies: Magic Ring, Magic Live, Turbo X and Magic Guard, realizing the interconnection of different chip platforms and operating systems. George Zhao, CEO of Honor Device Company, Limited, said Honor Magic OS will truly transform device-based experiences into user-centric experiences by enabling seamless collaboration across devices and ecosystems.
围绕着消费者所打造的 Magic OS 7.0将会不断地向前演进，未来 8.0、9.0 将会把更加强大的服务体验带给我们的消费者。
Honor became independent from Huawei in November 2020. According to global market research firm International Data Corporation, Honor shipped about 12.7 million mobile phones in China in the third quarter of 2022, ranking second nationally with a market share of 17.9%.